Now that we've looked at some of the information on how a verb is composed, let's take some examples from exercise 5 in section 10 of your grammars and learn how to parse verbs. When we parse a verb, we will be giving the tense of the verb, the voice, the mood, the person, and the number. All of the verbs that we'll be parsing right now and in exercise 5 will be active voice verbs, and they will all be indicative mood. So turn now to exercise 5. And you will notice that following exercise 5, there is an answer sheet. I'll set these aside and write these words out in a larger format so they'll be easier for you to see. Turn also to page 341 in your grammar. And on page 3-41, you see me standing before the board there telling you how to parse an indicative verb. There are 8 steps. I want you to learn these steps. Learn them in order. And don't skip the steps. If you follow these steps, you will learn very quickly how to parse. The first step on parsing an indicative verb is to ask the question, what is the lexical entry? Now, this may be a difficult step at first until you have learned more vocabulary words. But for right now, we'll simply concentrate on the verb luo, I break. The next step is to ask, is there an augment? The reason that that's an important question to ask is that if there is an augment, then that limits us to 3 tenses in the indicative mood, which can show past time, the augment telling us past time. Those 3 tenses are the imperfect, the aorist, or the pluperfect. And actually, for our purposes right now in this course, we're not going to concern ourselves with the pluperfect. So if we see an augment in front of a verb, then we know that that verb is either the imperfect indicative or the aorist indicative.